now read that, okay, just say that give it to West African Energy. The former Oyoma, you know, was saddled with responsibility of carrying out operational aspects of solid waste management. It has now been given to West African Energy, a private, person. And why? We believe that we consider how much we are spending on solid waste. We're not getting results. Let's try private sector where efficiency, capacity, effectiveness will lead us. And I think from now, as far as that one is concerned, we are getting better. We are getting better. And the other aspect is sanitation. See, sanitation, what do we mean by sanitation? That's cleanness of our environment. And with the training we are giving our environmental health officers, the collaboration we are having with the local government, because you see, what we find out is that many of our people don't even know that we have some laws and regulations. And we are doing massive publicity, we are doing public engagement, we are doing advocacy so that everybody now knows that issue of environment is a joint business. They are talking about pollution now. The first one is air pollution. Recently when we started with telling religious group, the terriers, the DJs, the communal groups that come, every household, every industry has permissible level of noise. People will say, what is the business about noise pollution? There are about 3 reasons why noise should be kept at the permissible level. And I want to say that law is not a new law. The one we are using in your state has been there since 2012. And at the federal level, we have the Noise Pollution Act, 2009, that is there. So we have permissible level. And once that level is exceeded, then that noise becomes a pollution. Because where you come to be hearing noise more than what your body can absorb, we are talking about hypertension. We are talking about sleeplessness. We are talking about hearing distortion. We are talking about, peace, living in society. Because if I'm making too much noise now in my environment, I won't be happy with you. I think you are with me. And even land pollution, we say land pollution. Because our edict says that nobody should drop your waste except where provided that is dustbin. But the fact that in your state now, prior to now, many people who are burning their waste. It's against the law. It's against our faith. When you burn tire now, you can see the kind of smoke that one inhales. Honestly speaking, these are differences that we don't give regard to, but they will lead to cancer. We have some other groups that are burying waste. When you bury your waste, what are the consequences? The first thing, by the time waste get declared, straight down, water pollution will come in, disease will come in. Are you with me? So I think that is just the aspect for which we have covered now.
Now, you talked about noise pollution. Today, if you go around our environment, you will see churches putting their megaphones outside, mosques putting their megaphones outside. Of course, we know about a few months back, the House of Assembly passed a law against that. What is your ministry doing towards enforcing this?
Let me get to updated. The state is not the assembly did not pass any new law, right? But I think what was passed in the house was a resolution to control, okay? And you find out that about 3 groups are principally concerned. These are real, the pollutants. The first one is your group. I'm talking about churches. I'm talking about mosques. Okay? And we are talking about all these event centers, especially the nightclubs within residential area. We're even talking about generators. Some of them are big, right? And when we came, like I told you, it's not a new law. We went through it, okay, well, people are thinking that's a very sensitive something, they don't want to go into it. And that's why I'm there. So I started it. And what we did first was sometimes November 2016, we had the meeting of stakeholders. Invited the church leadership, the Muslim leadership, then all the various stakeholders that involved. We had meetings and say, this is what loss is. Please give us 3 months to go and do.